How to defeat someone taller than you. How to defeat someone taller than you.
The first thing you want to do is go right for their neck so it paralyzes. Then after that, immediately right to the throat so they can't breathe. Then 2 right here. Then you got to catch them off guard. So.
How to defeat someone taller than you.
当他抓你的时候，打他的手上步背部踹，实战来一次。
When confronted with an assailant who towers over us in height, it is crucial to remain composed and employ strategic techniques rooted in the art of self-defense, such as Kung Fu. To successfully counter an opponent who possesses a physical advantage in height, it is essential to capitalize on their weaknesses and leverage our own strengths. Firstly, it is imperative to cultivate an acute awareness of our surroundings. By constantly assessing the environment, we can utilize obstacles to neutralize the height differential. Narrow spaces or low ceilings can limit the attacker's movements, hindering their ability to execute potential strikes effectively. Additionally, utilizing footwork and nimbleness can help us maneuver swiftly, making it difficult for the taller individual to land accurate punches or kicks. In Kung Fu, balance and agility are central tenets. Exploiting an opponent's instability is imperative when dealing with a taller assailant. By utilizing sweeping motions and low kicks, we can target their lower body, compromising their equilibrium and reducing their height advantage. Swift sweeps, aimed at their legs, can impede their mobility and expose vulnerable areas for follow-up counterattacks. Moreover, it is important to counter an attacker's reach. Kung Fu stresses the significance of deflecting and redirecting an adversary's strikes. By studying their attacks closely, we can anticipate their movements, evade strikes effectively, and seize opportunities for counterattacks. Utilizing fast and precise techniques, such as deflections and joint locks, can neutralize their height advantage and render them vulnerable to further attacks. In conclusion, defeating someone taller requires employing a calculated approach rooted in the principles of Kung Fu self-defense. By exploiting their weaknesses, capitalizing on our own strengths, and utilizing strategic movements such as deflections and sweeps, one can overcome the height differential and emerge victorious. However, it is vital to remember that self-defense techniques should always prioritize neutralizing threats rather than causing unnecessary harm.